Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. We begin with the information on the stock market. The JSE index declined by 1,097 points today, while the junior market index declined by 13 points. The winners include First Rock Real Estate Investments, 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, Kintyre Holdings, The Lab, and the Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. The losers include Knutsford Express Services, KLE Group, Cygnus Real Estate Financial, Mayberry Group, and AS Bryden and Sons Holdings. 22 stocks closed the session, selling at the same price they started trading. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.29. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.37. The pound is going for $218.83, while the euro is selling for an average $191.53. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.